Today I'm going to show you how to enable the new dark mode in Fusion 360, plus a couple of extra theme options that came with the update. It takes like a minute to set up, and honestly it makes the whole experience way nicer. Let's jump in. First things first, you need to make sure Fusion is up to date. Go up to the question mark icon in the top right corner. Click check for updates. If there is an update available, install it. If not, you're probably already good. To double check your version, click the question mark again, go to About. As long as you are running a relatively recent version, anything newer than the big September theme update, you should have access to the new themes. And quick note, you don't need a paid subscription. I'm using the personal free license, and it works perfectly, so everyone should have access to this. Now let's actually turn dark mode on. Go up to your user profile icon, click Preferences. Make sure you are in the General tab on the left. At the top, you will see Theme with a drop-down menu. By default, you are probably on Match Device Theme, or if you have older version, you are on a Classic theme. Click the drop-down and choose Dark Blue. Hit Apply. Once you hit Apply, the dark theme is active. You should immediately notice the difference. Now sometimes you will switch to dark blue, and the interface changes, but your workspace background is still bright white. If that happens, you'll just need to adjust one more setting. Go down to the display setting icon, the little monitor at the bottom. Click Environment and then select Theme. That will sync your environment with the dark theme you just applied. You can also manually experiment with different environments in that same menu. Some nice ones like River Rubicon, Dark Sky, Grey Room. It's personal preference. Just pick what feels best for your workflow. Now here's something interesting. Fusion is actually phasing out the old classic theme, but they introduced a new one called Light Gray, which looks very similar to the classic layout, just a bit more modern. So if you are not ready to fully commit to dark mode, that's a solid middle ground. And there is another cool option, Match Device Theme. If your operating system switches between light and dark mode automatically like mine does, Fusion can follow that setting. So during the day it's light, at the night it switches to dark. And that's it. From now on you can switch themes in just a few clicks. Takes maybe 60 seconds, but it completely changes the vibe of working in Fusion. If you spend hours modeling, your eyes will thank you. And if this was helpful, consider subscribing for more Fusion 360 tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!